Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to manage draft documents in BoldSign eSignature. In BoldSign, when users begin creating a document and upload the attachment, the progress is automatically saved and moved to the Drafts folder if they exit the creation process. This ensures that users never lose their work and can easily pick up from where they left off. The Drafts section serves as a temporary storage for documents that are being prepared but haven't been finalized. This folder enables users to locate incomplete documents, which can be edited, updated, and customized before sending them for signature. Imagine a scenario where a project manager is preparing a contract signature request for a client. After adding the necessary details and customizations on the first page, the manager is ready to add form fields before sending the document. However, before adding the fields, he receives an urgent request to sign a crucial document. Needing to address this immediately, he exits the creation process. The incomplete signature request is automatically saved as a draft, allowing the project manager to easily resume and finalize the document creation process after addressing the urgent matter. Let me demonstrate how the project manager would resume and complete the creation process. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the Documents menu and select Drafts. This takes me to the Drafts page, which displays a list of all draft documents. Here the draft documents are categorized based on title and last activity, showing titles and the date and time the documents were modified. If there are multiple documents, I can locate a specific document using the search bar and perform several actions on each document. When I select or hover over a document, the Edit and Delete icons will appear. I can edit or delete specific draft documents using these icons. I can also select multiple draft documents and click the Delete button. In our scenario, the project manager needs to resume and complete the Configure field page of the project contract form. To do this, I locate the project contract form, hover over it, and choose the Edit icon. This action redirects me to the prepared document for signing page. On this page, I can make the necessary changes. I have already added the required details and customizations. Next, I check my previous changes on this page. Once satisfied, I click Next to navigate to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. In the Client Details section, I drag and drop the name and email fields for name and email respectively. Finally, I add the signature and date sign fields. Once done, I check my changes and send the document out for signature. The document is sent successfully and removed from the draft section as it is now completed. That's a summary of how to manage draft documents in BoldSign eSignature. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.